Is that you? Thermal, is that you getting the phone
Yeah,
call?
it's Thermal. I don't want to. I guess I had to hit. What the fuck?
Thermal, would you tell that
I saw that.
Skype to shut the fuck up?
So just mute yourself while it comes up.
Dude, I got like 16 things around me fucking doing the bing bongs.
Bing bong my ass. I love the idea of Lunk alarms though. So wait, it's not 24-hour fitness. What's the place called again?
It's
Planet Fitness. Planet Fitness. You
Jesus
can do it.
Christ,
So
Planet
you got
Fitness?
it. You got this shit.
I
They're
love
everywhere. You
Lunk
can call it
alarms
anything.
so much. I would love to do a Lunk alarm call. Okay.
You
Okay.
just said it sound very official.
Yeah.
Just say, hey, I'm just checking in from corporate. We're just making sure your lunk alarm's working or something like that.
It's all
Yeah,
good.
just
Yeah,
Go with more
keep it-
authority than that.
John Smith
keep it straight.
Corporate.
Have some
And,
authority. My buddy
sounds
who's
sure of
very
yourself.
drunk got it first try. You can do it.
Get the
it's
fuck out.
fine.
First
You'll
try?
Be fine. Yeah, you'll be fine.
Oh my god.
I tried overcomplicating it. I think that's why it didn't
Remember,
work for me.
Remember, it's not hard because the people are stupid. If you're working at a
I
Planet
mean, these are
Fitness,
like minimum wage
you're fucking
employees.
stupid.
I love you guys.
They don't give a shit. They don't give a shit. So it's like,
They probably don't give a shit. Oh my god. Alright,
They don't
well,
give one fuck.
they don't get paid enough to give a shit.
here's me not giving a fuck either. So y'all shut the fuck up while I do my call.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, here we go. Oh, I hope I get this. Oh my fucking god. I'm so excited.
Calling Planet Fitness. This is. Can I help you?
Hey, this is Jake from the corporate office, and we noticed that your Lunk alarm is running at just slightly different frequency that we usually have. Do you mind if you set...
You said what was running? I'm sorry.
Yeah, I'm sorry. This is Jake from the corporate office, and we noticed that your Lunk alarm is running just a little bit flat from what it usually is. Do you mind putting on the Lunk alarm for just a sec? We have some equipment hooked up to the phone just to see what the Lunk alarm is like.
Okay, so I've only been here for like a month, and I've never heard. You said lock, like L-O-C-K.
Oh, it's Lunk, L-U-N-K, like Lunk alarm.
Okay. So where would that be at?
Do you know where the Lunk alarm switch is?
No, sir.
Help me out. Chat, come on.
It's the bell.
I'm sorry. Say that again, buddy.
Okay, so this is actually John from corporate.
Sir,
Sir, how you doing? This is
Yes, sir.
John from corporate. How you doing?
Yes, sir.
We were calling you to test whether or not you were trained well enough to operate the Lunk alarm, and apparently not. So, okay, so you're actually telling me right now that you don't know where the switch is. So if you heard somebody grunt, you would not know how to set off the Lunk alarm?
Oh, the alarm that's on. Oh, you said alert. I'm sorry. I'm not like I have to pick on to the accents. Now I know what you're saying. The alarm that's right under the register, the switch.
Well, yeah, it's located differently in different locations. So yeah,
Okay.
if you could just let me know when you're about to do it, but I have to test whether or not the. Oh, hold on! I gotta first set up the frequency monitor here. Okay. Yeah, you can go ahead. It's gonna take probably maybe 30 seconds to a minute to register on my end.
Yes, sir.
So, and yeah, 3, 2, 1. You can go ahead and do it.
Okay. For how long? For how long?
It's gotta be at least 30 seconds.
Okay.
So keep counting.
Okay.
No,
I did it for
no.
30
I said it's gotta.
Or you want longer?
No,
Longer?
no. I said 30 seconds. No, it's gotta be at least 30
30
seconds
my
to a
bad,
minute.
buddy. My bad.
Right?
I'm
Yeah. Sorry, buddy.
I started over. My bad. It was just people started looking around. All
right.
Start them out.
All right. Well, hold on. Wait. I gotta switch this back on. I gotta reset. And go ahead.
It's starting now. So, are you guys timing it?
Yeah, keep going. Sorry, it's not.
No problem.
Keep going. Right.
How much longer?
Well, it's still not registering, so I think.
Okay.
Well, I'll tell you when to stop.
You said what, buddy?
I'll tell you when to stop. I'm sorry. It's I don't know. The equipment here it's not working right.
Oh, okay. I just want to make sure you can hear it in the background, though. I just want to make sure it's working.
Well, yeah, I hear it myself, but the equipment stopped picking it up.
Oh, okay.
No, you gotta do. Oh, you stopped it, didn't you?
Oh, yeah. Oh, you didn't want me to stop it? My bad. I can turn it back on.
No, yeah, yeah. Until they tell you to stop. I'm sorry. I don't. I mean, I don't want to sound like a bully or nothing, but you're good.
They wanted to. I'm sorry, I was talking to my coworker. They wanted to pick it up from their corporate office. They still gotta pick it over there, even if they paying cash. So you gotta just start it over. Yeah. The total is 354, but you have to, yeah. Sorry about that, buddy. I was helping the customer. Can you hear me?
Yeah, well, yeah, I hear you. It's
Okay.
fine.
No, bro. I was just making sure.
Yeah, we're good.
Yeah, hello, Mark. Is Mark from corporate on the line? Can you hear me, Mark? Mark, this is Technician 32. We're getting an odd ring. I think we're going to need to try the test.
Hello? Hello?
Yeah, I'm still here. I'm really trying with this.
No, it's not that. It's just a shortage in the phone wire, like it'll loosen out. I just want to make sure you can still hear me.
Oh yeah, no. Oh, maybe that's why the equipment's not working. Yep. Well, it seems to be going all right now. So just like maybe like 30 more seconds. I'll let you know.
Okay. So I mean, I won't be here, but my coworker she'll be here until 6 in the morning. So
All right.
So if you if you call back, she'll be here.
Well, I mean, it's not going to take that much longer for this test to be done.
Okay, it's cool. I'll be here. I'll wait then. No problem, buddy.
All right. Yeah, that's fine. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Yeah, we're doing a testing from the headquarters in Kansas City. They're just making sure the alarm works. This goes off in here.
Yes, you can.
Yeah, hi, ma'am.
I'm here.
Oh, okay. I'm just making sure. You're good.
Yes, sir. Oh wow, the system just went down. You gotta close out. You know how to, or what is that? What is that doing? I've never seen it do that. Can you? Do you know how to sign back in? What if you close out?
I can't because I don't got no.
Yeah, I think the system just shut down.
I think the system is. To use the application, I probably use it.
Okay. Sorry about that, but I was trying to help a customer.
Oh, you're good. I mean,
yeah, the system.
You gotta keep it going for a little bit longer, but I don't think it's gonna be that much longer. So just hold out.
You said what, buddy? I'm sorry, I was helping out finishing.
Oh yeah,
I couldn't hear you.
Oh, you're good. I was saying it's not gonna be that much longer. So just hold out.
Buddy. Okay.
You're good.
Did anyone start a timer on this?
Dude, this might be. I might have just won the entire fucking Lunk Alarm challenge.
My
This
friend.
is incredible. Buddy, you can. That's good.
I'm a goddamn hot mess over here. This is so fucking funny.
That's good. You can stop it now.
Oh no, it's about to die.
Oh, it's dying.
It's dying.
Hello?
I can hear it dying. Hello, ma'am. No, this is John from corporate, and hello.
Yes, I'm still here.
Hello.
Yeah, can you hear
Okay, yeah,
me?
we were just testing the. Yeah, I hear you. We were just testing the Lunk Alarm, and it sounds like it's okay. But
You can turn it off now?
no, well, I'm not sure. Let me check with IT first.
Yes.
Hold on.
Mm-hmm.
IT
Oh, we hear
says
it
like
increasing
5
in
more.
frequency.
You not hear us? I know. Turn it off, dude. Shit. Oh my god, you.
Well, hold on. Give it like maybe like 10 more seconds, maybe even 30.
He can't hear us, bro. Fuck.
Ma'am.
Okay.
He called it his own.
Yeah, like 10 more, maybe 30 more
Oh my god,
seconds
dude.
before it registers.
Okay.
Actually, Logan, like, stop it. It starts to become a fire hazard at some point, bro.
Ma'am, if we can't get a signal shortly, we're going to have to start switching off some machines to try without the...
She can't hear us. I think he called her through his own dialer. That's why only thermal can stop this.
Oh, this is fucking epic.
Yeah, it is, but bro, at this point in time, I don't want to be responsible.
It's not my fault. They're fucking stupid.
But I mean, yeah. Just stop it, bro. Please.
No. I can't stop it. I'm trying. Right? They hear me talking, don't they? Hello,
Are they
ma'am.
not here?
Hello,
Where'd
ma'am.
they go?
Ma'am.
Where are they?
They went back to their cars.
What is going on?
They're in their car smoking weed.
It's taking a cigarette break. Jesus Christ.
God. You stop this.
Oh my
Is it
god,
gone?
it's probably
it's
still going.
gone. It's gone.
Oh, you have to call back. Leave it on.
Call back. You gotta call back. You gotta call back.
Call back.
If we call back, I guarantee it's survival. It's still
We've won. We've won this game, bro. Your first lunk alarm was the longest lunk alarm ever. We're calling back, like, right now.
I bet it's still going off.
Oh my god.
Cigarette,
Oh my god.
That was so close to coming, too.
Oh my god, my insides hurt. That was so funny.
Imagine how I felt. The one can listen.
We and we just saw that one alarm was on for an extended period of time. Everything
And that, my boys, is what social engineering will do.
Call back. Let me talk to him.
Oh no! Oh no! Should we call back? Oh Christ! Oh my
call back
fucking
and
god!
let me tell them how stupid they are.
Oh god! I don't know.
That's what we can. Yes.
Oh Christ! I'm so
You dumb
fucking
fucks!
shit.
No, I bet the alarm's still going off.
Just to make sure it's not still going off.
Do you think it's still going on?
Call back. Let me make sure and call them stupid
God,
heads.
that's so dumb. Why would I ever
it
call
right
them
now.
back? All right.
No, you have to call them back.
Listen. All right, listen. That was so amazing. I will do one call back. Don't blow it. Here we go.
Okay.
I'm calling them back one more time. Holy fucking shit. I love you guys. That was incredible. Let's see if the Lunk alarm's fucking going off still. Jesus Christ, that was
It's gotta
amazing.
still be going.
Christ.
All right, I got this.
Hello, this is Planet Fitness.
Hello, who do I have here?
Yes, who is speaking?
This is Steven calling from Planet Fitness Corporate under work order number 443967. We have been getting some very strange calls into corporate about some prank calls to different stores. If you get any calls about turning on the Lunk alarm, do not do it.
Okay, I think that just happened a few minutes ago.
Okay, well, did you turn it on?
Yeah, we turned. Yeah, I guess he didn't know, and he turned it on.
Oh, he must be a stupid motherfucker. Just some random person calls you up on the phone and you just do whatever they want because they tell you to? What the hell are you thinking?
No, that's not me. I didn't do that.
Put him on the phone, please. Ma'am, I do not have all day. Please put him on the phone.
Me.
Hello?
Yes. Hello. Who am I speaking with?
Yes, sir.
And you're the individual that turned on the Lunk alarm, am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so my employee ID number is 459973, and I'm calling under work order number 443967. As I told your other employee there, this is a very serious matter. You should not be responding to just random people that call you on the phone. I mean, do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and you understand that I am also a random person on the phone that's talking to you right now, right?
Yes, sir.
So why are you listening to me?
Because, like I said, I'm new and I just want to...
Hang up the phone. Hang up the phone.
All right.
Hang it up.
Both...
Please hang up the phone.
Hey, wait.
Hang it up.
Wait.
You
Please hang it up.
that phone off.
God damn it. No. I want to call him... He sounded so downtrodden about himself. No.
I know.
I don't like that.
Because of you, Daryl.
I feel so
You
bad.
did it.
Oh my
You did
god!
I did do it. All right, call him back.
Oh my god!
I
No,
want to make it feel good
call
about
him
himself.
back. I can't do it.
You can.
I can't do it.
Please.
Oh my god!
I mean, like you
no.
said, if you call him,
It's
just tell him
perfect.
that I
It's
actually
perfect.
anything, you know?
It's perfect. We
No,
can't call him
because
back.
now we know because
Oh my
because
god!
He knows it was
feels
a
like
prank
piece
call.
of
He
shit.
knows it was a prank call. Just handle
Oh
him.
my
It's
fucking
fine.
god! That
It's
was
fine.
so fucking funny.
I have to let him know that everybody falls for it.
Oh god!
I have
What
to.
purpose would we
Please.
have calling him back? Good
You can call
grief.
him on your
Because I
own.
wanna make
you can
him-
give him
I wanna-
a personal apology.
I
wanna
am
let him know that he's not
exhausted
alone.
from laughing. That was
Please.
the best Lunk alarm I think I've ever witnessed. Christ, thank you for being here.
Oh, you almost did it.
Oh my fucking god!
It wasn't my fault. I didn't do it.
That
think
shit
Leon
was
did
on
it.
for like 6 or 7 minutes.
That
I
was
think it was more
crazy.
than that. That was at least 10 minutes.
That was
That's
incredible.
gonna make fucking
I want that guy to not
all the
feel
prank
bad about
calls, whatever
himself.
it's
All right.
Call him back.
All right, I got
Wait,
2 people
that's a
saying
record.
call him back, but I also think that's a bad idea. Please convince me
No,
that it's a
well,
good
hold on.
idea.
It is a bad idea, but
well,
Thermal can make it good, so you should do it.
I want him to feel good about himself
Jesus
because
Christ.
he needs to know that he's not the only one that's ever
Oh,
fallen.
so for me.
Oh my
Oh, that's
god.
good.
Because he feels stupid right now, and he shouldn't.
I mean, I would feel stupid if I was him right now.
No, yeah, but
I mean, he should feel kind of dumb right now.
That man was like,
Yeah,
I've been
but-
on here for a month,
if you
and
want
I'm
me
going to
to
set the
just
Lunk
think you
alarm
can.
off for 10 minutes.
yeah, it was kind of ridiculous. But I don't know. I don't want him to feel bad.
All right. Listen, I'm feeling
Like,
awful.
yeah, last time we.
One
Right,
more
exactly.
goddamn phone call, and I'm calling it. No
well,
more.
yeah.
One phone call.
This is the Band-Aid phone call.
Okay,
to make him
Band-Aid
feel
phone
better.
call. And the only reason I'm saying that is because I'm logged out to my SIP provider right now, and I can't change my phone number really quick. All right, y'all motherfuckers in the fucking
means-
Discord, do your best.
That
And
means they're not going to answer.
this is the 3rd call back. Do your best.
And that's
Please
the
don't
limit,
fuck this
though,
up.
right? So,
Okay, here we go.
no, I'm honestly just trying to make him feel good.
Y'all pick who's the person to call. Okay. It is a public number,
Thermal's
so
got
tell
it.
them.
Thermal's got
It's
it.
me. It's mine.
All right, here you go.
Mine.
Oh! They just straight up hung up.
All right, fuck him then. You know what? I take it all back. Fuck that guy.
I don't even know what to make of that.
I don't either, man. That's funny.
Oh, okay. Listen, I'm gonna call it. I'm calling it. I'm
I really
calling
wanted
it.
to.
That was it. I'm calling it. But there's plenty other Planet Fitnesses in the area that are still open. Should we do another one?
So, yes. It's your turn. You saw the master at work.
Yeah, you got to get one now.
Good God. I am so fucking tired
That
of
was
laughing.
easy, though.
You got it.
Because
You got it.
when the guy said he has only been there for a month, that was like...
Good God, that was so fucking funny. I was laughing the whole time. I'm so glad I have push to talk because I would have think I died on Discord.
Oh, dude, you should have saw me fucking holding my lips shut.
Oh my God, I was pounding on my desk, just dying over here. Jesus Christ. All right, who's going to do that again until I pass out? Give me a shout.
You are.
Me?
You, it's your turn. It's your turn. Yo!
You.
Ah.
Breathe, young Padawan.
It's your
All right.
show, damn it.
It's my show.